Everyone wants to flaunt fair and flawless skin. There are many ready-made fairness creams available that will lighten your complexion temporarily. However, they use harsh chemicals that may damage your skin in the long run. If you want fair and glowing skin, it is best to opt for safe home remedies that will have the same effects. Your skin naturally produces a pigment called melanin that gives it its color. External factors, like sun exposure, can enhance melanin production, causing your skin to develop a tan. It is very difficult to change the amount of melanin naturally present in your skin. However, you can always get rid of the suntan and pigmentation caused by overexposure to the sun, stress, and neglect by using home remedies. A disciplined approach to skincare can give you the healthy and glowing complexion you have always desired. Include the following remedies for fair skin in your routine, and you will be more than happy with the results in no time. Here are the remedies. 1. Lemon. There is no way that you look for skin lightening tips and not find lemon on the list. Lemon is the best natural remedy for skin lightening since it has skin bleaching components. It helps to reduce blemishes and dark spots. 2. Tomato. Tomato contains lycopene that helps to reduce pigmentation instantly, making it the perfect choice as a home remedy for skin lightening. This face pack will lighten the skin tone, reduce tan, and remove the dead cells. 3. Turmeric. This is an ingredient that was used by our ancestors and is still considered as one of the best home remedies for fair skin. Turmeric evens out the skin tone and makes it brighter. 4. Egg pack. Beat an egg till it's fluffy and frothy. Apply it to your face and keep it until it dries completely. Wash off with cool water. You can also add lemon juice or 2 drops of lavender oil or tea tree oil to reduce the smell of the egg. The contents of the egg white will make your skin glow and the yolk's contents will make it smooth and soft. 5. Milk. Make a smooth paste by mixing the milk and honey. Apply the paste all over the face and rub gently in circular motions. Keep it on for 15 minutes. 7. Yogurt pack. Mix the yogurt and honey well to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes, wash with cool water. Yogurt will not only lighten your skin with regular use but also cleanse it thoroughly and remove all accumulated dirt from the pores. 9. Rose water. Cleanse your face every day with rose water. You can also use a cotton pad to do this. Do this twice a day. Rose water not only refreshes and brightens the skin but also soothes irritation. It is good for sensitive and oily skin types. You can add rose water to homemade face packs and scrubs as well. 10. Carrot and avocado. Boil the carrot. Once it is cooled, mash it along with the pulp from the avocado. Add the cream, egg, and honey to this mixture, mix well. Spread this mixture over your face and neck like a pack. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. We already know how nourishing avocado pulp is for the skin. Carrots are also excellent for the skin because of their beta-carotene and lycopene content. These phytocompounds act as antioxidants that will improve the skin's texture and complexion. Now that you know how to get fair skin naturally at home, why wait? Use the home remedy that suits you the best to get fair skin. Remember, the skin mirrors your health, so if you have a healthy body, your skin will definitely glow. If you have any queries or suggestions, them in the comments box below. Thank you for watching, subscribe. For more videos.